Welcome to this guided meditation for attracting an abundance of money into your life. In these next 5 minutes, we'll unlock the energy of wealth, dissolve limiting beliefs, and align with the flow of financial prosperity. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably or lie down. And let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your body begin to relax. Let's take another deep breath together. Inhale abundance and exhale doubt. Now place your hands gently over your heart or rest them in your lap, facing upwards. Repeat silently or out loud. I am open to receiving the infinite wealth the universe has for me. Close your eyes and imagine a pathway made of pure gold appearing before you. With every step you take, feel your confidence and sense of worth growing. The air is filled with a sparkling energy. This is the energy of unlimited money, flowing freely and joyfully. As you walk, picture golden coins, crisp bills, and radiant opportunities raining gently around you. They are weightless, shimmering, and easy to collect. Imagine your hands scooping them up effortlessly. Each piece a symbol of freedom, joy, and security money brings. See yourself smiling as you give generously and still have more than enough for yourself. Feel the ease of financial abundance as though it is already yours. Now, repeat these affirmations with me, feeling their power vibrate through you. Money flows to me with ease, grace, and joy. I am a magnet for wealth and success. Every dollar I spend comes back to me multiplied. My creative ideas bring me financial prosperity. I am worthy of a luxurious and abundant life. Each time you say these words, feel the truth of them settling deep within your soul. You are rewriting your financial story. Take a moment now to visualize your bank account balance. See it rising higher and higher, reflecting the flow of money coming to you from expected and unexpected sources. Picture the things you'll do with your abundance. Maybe travel, supporting loved ones, or giving back to causes you care about. Feel the excitement, gratitude, and peace that comes with having more than enough. Imagine wrapping yourself in a warm golden light. This light represents the infinite abundance of the universe. It is always with you, always available, always expanding. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with the energy of wealth, and exhale any lingering resistance or doubt. Wiggle your fingers and toes as you begin to return to the present moment. When you're ready, open your eyes and smile, knowing that abundance is already flowing into your life. Take this feeling of confidence and joy with you throughout your day. Thank you for sharing this moment of abundance with me. Until next time, keep shining and stay abundant. Bye, my loves.